Given an array of nums, we define a running sum of an array as running sum I is equal to the sum of the numbers from 0 to I. Return the running sum. Yep. Typically, for the running sum, you just have to add all the values and then return the result for the sum. That's the sum. So we can get an example of, like, probably use the example here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you do a typical sum, the output would be 10, right? So the running sum is not just adding the whole value, but basically storing the previous value. And in this case, we need the result as a integer array. So the output should be 1, and then the next value is 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So what you want is actually trying to add the last value in a total sum. Yeah. So yeah, you could create a variable to store all your sum there, or you could just use the existing array for this example, because we just need to return the running sum here. So yeah, this should be a very straightforward. So we can start writing this one. I equals I is less than len of nums. Actually, you can just do something like, yeah, len of nums plus, right? Start with 0. So in this case, we start with 1. Actually, you start with 0. 1, okay. Nums I is basically the previous value is I minus 1 plus the current value, which is the I. Yeah. Turn nums. The first index is basically the same, so that's why I started with 1. Like, and then the first index is basically you get the previous value plus the current value. Run this. There you go. So that's it. This is the running sum, and I'm basically using the same array as the input and output. So the time complexity is O of n, because you're iterating it, and the space complexity is O of 1 constant, because we didn't just in a space, we just use the input as space. Yep, that's it. So if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe for more LeetCode contents. And I'll basically see you again in the next session. Thank you for watching.